As an IQA, of course, it's very important that you are approachable to your assessors or your team of teachers. Okay, so by being approachable, being able to organise team meetings, one-to-one reviews and appraisals is a fantastic way to give your tutors or your assessors, whoever you are monitoring, lots of support, help and advice. You can obviously pass over your subject knowledge, your skill set, and also provide them with information such as the latest updates that awarding bodies provide within your subject area. So by having a good relationship with your team is going to develop lots of trust, okay, and also confidence in you as the IQA. So in terms of yourself, okay, you might work with a range of different assessors within your own organisation, or they might work in different areas of the country, for example. Regardless, you still need to make a conscious effort to check in with them regularly to make sure that they're on track with their teaching, assessing practice, and you also listen to them to give them lots of help and advice on how they could improve their practice. But as an IQA, it's very important that we are organised and can arrange obviously team meetings and professional discussions, and these are recorded to show that you're monitoring your two assessors confidently. For your IQA Unit 2, Section 2, the Criteria 2, we would like for you to create 2 profiles, 1 profile for each assessor, okay? The suggested word count is between 300 to 400 words per profile, per assessor, but you can write as much as you like, okay? It might be easier for you, of course, to meet with your assessor to perhaps to describe their working role and to issue some targets as well. So think about their strengths and of course any areas for development as well. In terms of the profile, okay, this can be written on a Word document, that's absolutely fine. But if your own company has its own profile, perhaps their own template, of course you can use that. But once again, if you would like to meet with your assessor, if you find that easier, then that's absolutely fine. For the purpose of the IQA profile, okay, the train aid example is first of all, my profile is on one of my colleagues, Tom Castley. Tom is a very experienced trainer. He has taught within 6 forms. He's been a previous head of department, and he still teaches on the Level 3 award in education and training. Tom is very much office-based now, but still does teach on some of our Level 3 teaching courses. He does, of course, still need to be aware of the latest updates from Highfield qualifications. An aspiration, of course, with Tom would be to gain the IQA qualification as well. So Tom is one of my assessors for the Level 3 qualification that I'm monitoring. My second assessor is Martin Smith. So Martin, once again, is a very passionate trainer. He delivers lots of first aid courses, a Level 3 award in education and training in one of our London venues as well. So he teaches in Islington and also is very sought after in terms of our company. So he is often asked for lots of in-house courses by our partners as well. So once again, I'm going to be looking at Martin's teaching delivery and also sampling his marking as well. Okay, so Martin is my second assessor. So in terms of, once again, your IQA portfolio, this is the level of detail required to complete the Unit 2 portfolio as well. And once again, a suggested word count of between 300 to 400 words.